Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to install the OEM intake on a drive-by-wire or 06 Plus Honda S2000. The first thing you want to do is lower the intake box into place and install the intake air temperature sensor wiring harness. Attach the wiring harness to the intake box with the two clips. Then plug the intake air temperature sensor wiring harness into the sensor on the intake tube. Lastly, hook the wiring harness back into place. Next, insert the hose clamp onto the breather pipe and insert the breather pipe into the intake tube. Then use a set of pliers to install the hose clamp holding the breather pipe in place. While you're there, insert the intake tube onto the throttle body and then use the 10mm socket to tighten the hose clamp holding the intake tube onto the throttle body. Don't forget to clip the map sensor wiring harness onto the intake arm. The last thing you have to do is use a 10mm socket and ratchet to reinstall the 3 bolts holding the intake box in place. There is one located in front of the intake box, one behind, and one on the side near the radiator hose. Torque these bolts to 8.7 foot-pounds. And that's it. Just like the OEM intake removal, this DIY was pretty easy, but I hope it helps some of the newcomers out there. If you have an idea for a DIY you'd like to see in the future, leave it down in the comments below.